kinakabahan. Feeling ko nagpapalpitate na naman ako, hindi ako pwedeng uminom ulit ng gamot mamaya pa. First time!
To my wife, sometimes it's hard to find words to tell you how much you mean to me. And I tell you, I love you. If I did anything right in my life, it was when I give my heart to you.
Regina, do you take Jared here present for your lawful husband according to the rite of the Holy Mother Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
Yes, I do.
Bound to be a mess, I'm really certain. But you never know until you follow your heart. You say, for the first time, from the bird's eye, coming into view, it changes everything. From the coastline, with a sure sign, caution to the wind, you hear in front of me loudly. I've never wanted anything more. 'Cause for the first time, I found something that will last. 'Cause for the first time, I found something that will last. I found something that will last.
Jared and Regina, pinili niyo ang bawat isa. Sana in the next 50 years, 60 years, 70 years, makita niyo pa rin ang halaga ng bawat isa, katulad ng halaga ng pagkatao niyo at this very moment.
I thank the God for giving me a man, not a boy, a man who values family more than anything else. Thank you for loving me and us. I hope you will change until we grow old and gray. I'm looking forward to more travels and bloopers along the way. I love you.
It wasn't easy in retrospect. Finding myself took me.
Jared, do you take Regina here present for your lawful wife according to the rite of the Holy Mother Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to her as her husband?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept her as your lawful wife?
Yes, I do.